Good morning, students. I'm Yoranjan and I'm back here with the science lessons of class 4. Students, I had started chapter 5. I've explained to you the chapter and have given you 10 question answers till now. I hope you have written it down in your classwork copy. Now take out your classwork copy and your pencil and get started. I will start from question number 11. Question number 11. Give 2 examples of desert plants. Give 2 examples of desert plants. Name 2 desert plants? Yes, you know it. Cactus, date palm. Cactus, date palm. CACTUS, DATEPALM. So 2 desert plants names are cactus, date palm. Number 2, deciduous trees. DECIDUOUS. Deciduous trees. Oak, OAK, maple, MAPLE. You know what are deciduous trees? Trees that shed all their leaves at one time. So, example of 2 deciduous trees, oak, maple. Number 3, evergreen trees. EVERGREEN, trees. Pine, fir. Evergreen trees, trees that do not shed all their leaves at one time. They are known as evergreen trees. Example, pine, PINE, FIR. Next is plants in plains with low rainfall. Plants in plains, PLAINS, with low LOW rainfall, RAINFALL. Example, mango, neem. Mango, neem. You know the spelling, I hope. MANGONWM. Number 5, plants in plains with heavy rainfall. Plants in plains with heavy rainfall. Example, rubber tree, bamboo. Rubber tree, bamboo. RUBBER, rubber tree, TREE, bamboo, BAMBOO. Next question, number 6, plants in coastal areas. Plants in coastal areas, COASTAL, plants in coastal areas, that is by the seaside. Example, coconut tree, COCONUT, coconut tree. Coastal oak, COASTALOAK. So plants in coastal areas, coconut tree, coastal oak. Number 7, plants in marshlands. Plants in marshlands, MARSHLANDS. You know what are marshlands? The waterlogged soil, the plants that grow there, they are called plants in marshland. Example, grasses, Sundari tree. Grasses, Sundari tree. GRASSES. Grasses, Sundari tree. SUNDARITREE. Number 8, insectivorous plants. Insectivorous. INSECT. Insect. Insectivorous. VOROUS. VOROUS. Insectivorous plants. Venus flytrap, pitcher plant. Venus flytrap, VENUS, FLYTRAP, and pitcher plant, PITCHER, plant. Number 9, floating plants. These are water plants, aquatic plants. Some are floating, some are fixed, some are underwater. Example of floating plants, duckweed, water hyacinth. Duckweed, DUCKWEED. And water hyacinth, HYACINTH. Floating plants, duckweed, water hyacinth. Next is fixed plants, FIXED, fixed plants. Lotus, water lily. Lotus, water lily. Number 11, underwater plants. Underwater, the plants that are inside the sea or river. You cannot see it from outside. Example, hydrilla, tape grass. Hydrilla, HYDRILLA, tape grass, TAPEGRASS. So, you will learn these 2 examples of each type of plants. Now we will go to the next question. Your next question will be write true or false. Today I am giving you first true or false. This is Roman 3. Number 1. Plants survive because they are adapted to conditions in the place they grow. Yes, true. Which plants can survive? Those that are adapted to conditions. They can stay there because they are adapted to it in the place they grow. Number 2, plants that grow in water are called terrestrial plants. Terrestrial. Plants that grow in water are called terrestrial plants. Is it true? No, false. What are they known as? Yes, they are called aquatic plants. Plants that grow in water are called terrestrial plants. False. Number 3, desert plants have broad leaves. B-R-O-A-D, broad leaves. Is it true? No, false. Why? Because their leaves are modified into spines or thorns so that water is not lost. So desert plants have broad leaves. The statement is false. Number 4, evergreen trees do not shed all their leaves at the same time. Yes, true. Evergreen trees do not shed all their leaves at the same time. It's true. Which trees shed all their leaves? The deciduous trees. Yes. Number 5, the Indian almond tree is a deciduous tree. Is it true or false? True. The Indian almond tree is a deciduous tree. D-E-C-I-D-U-O-U-S. Number 6, pine trees bear cones instead of flowers. Pine trees bear cones instead of flowers. Yes, it's true. And number 7, plants in coastal areas have breathing roots. Plants in coastal areas have breathing roots. It's false. Plants in marshland have breathing roots. Number 8, insectivorous plants do not get enough nutrients from the soil. Insectivorous, I-N-S-E-C-T-I-V-O-R-O-U-S. They do not get enough nutrients from the soil. Is it true? Yes, it's true. That is why they trap and eat the insects to get the nutrients which they are lacking from the minerals. They are not getting the nutrients while they are taking water from the soil. So, you write down these 8 true and false in your classwork copy. Next day we will do fill in the blanks. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.